For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Hello, and you're watching News9 Digital with me, Deepak. Well, assumptions of herd immunity to the coronavirus as more people get infected may be wrong, and patients who have suffered one bout of the virus could face reinfections. Well, you might wonder why I'm saying this. Well, a team of UK-based scientists analyzed the immune response of more than 90 COVID-19 patients and also healthcare workers at a COVID-19 facility and found levels of antibodies that can destroy the virus peaked about 3 weeks after the onset of symptoms, then swiftly declined. So let us go and ask a doctor whether COVID-19 immunity wanes away like the study claims.
The King's College study, one of the largest study we had so far, shows that immunity decreases with time. Similar smaller studies have shown the same thing, but reinfection within a span of few weeks to few months is prevented, and there is immunity until then.
Well, now blood tests of those samples also revealed that while 60% of the patients marshaled a potent antibody response at the height of their battle with the virus, only 17% of them retained the same potency 3 months later. So antibody levels fell as much as 23 folds over the period. So in some cases, they became undetectable. So let us now ask a doctor whether a COVID-19 patient's peak decide as to how long the antibodies last.
The severe the infection, the more is the antibody production, and hence they stay longer in the body and protect for longer time.
Well, that was the doctor's opinion, and the immune system has multiple ways to fight the COVID-19, but if antibodies are the main line of defense, the findings suggested that people could become reinfected in seasonal waves and that vaccines may not protect them for long. But for some viral diseases like measles, overcoming the sickness confers immunity for life. But in case of COVID-19, the antibodies wane away over a period of after the patient recovers. So these antibodies play a vital role in one's battle against COVID-19. And again, let us ask a doctor as to how antibodies help in fighting COVID-19.
Any infection in the body produces a response called antibodies, which help in fighting an infection. Similarly, in case of COVID-19 as well.
Well, antibodies are the main forces which ward off COVID-19 from an individual's body. And now coming back to the research, a team from that King's College in London found that the amount of antibodies in recovered patients' blood was significantly down after 3 months, meaning that they could be vulnerable to reinfection. And the team also claimed that the virus could reinfect people like a common cold or the flu on an annual basis. So is this report true or false? Well, let's go again back to the doctor and ask him whether COVID-19 will infect people on an annual basis as claimed by the report.
Well, this is an hypothesis which says that like any other viral infection, this can occur annually. But we did not panic about it because we need further studies to claim or refute the hypothesis. So as of now, take care, be safe, and don't panic.
Well, now you might be wondering how we can keep our immunity battle ready at all times. Well, healthy lifestyles could be the only answer. Like a balanced diet, exercise, and balanced mental health are 3 components to a healthy body that can fight the deadly novel coronavirus infection. It is because of good immunity that some people have mild symptoms or are even asymptomatic. So a diverse food plate with 5 colors is the way for a better health, which means eating different foods like some pulses, rice, chapati, dairy products, salad, vegetables instead of eating only dal and rice. So along with the lifestyle changes, you will also have to take safety precautions like maintaining good hand hygiene and also wearing a mask at all times. And in case if you are visiting any outdoor location, also don't forget to carry a pair of gloves with you. So if you guys like this video, please drop in your opinions in the comment section below, and also like, share and subscribe to News9 on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and YouTube. Thank you for watching.